What's up, Fantastic Family? It's your girl, Fantastic, and I'm back with another video. You see what's behind me and around me? I'm at the airport, and if I'm at the airport, you know what that means. Y'all gonna get a travel vlog. We headed to Las Vegas, March Madness. It's the birthday turn up. We in the airport, not too much, but a little crazy.
Military, Allegiant, World Mastercard.
Delayed the flight. Changed the gate. Now the flight leaving again at the regular time. So it's all not too bad, but a little crazy. But I'll see y'all in Las Vegas. Bye. Okay, we're here in our room. Just got checked in. This place is just crowded. But
didn't I just tell you don't give me on your video? It's a selfie.
I'm getting ready to do a room tour. I'll blow your face out. We're here today in Las Vegas at the Westgate Resort, and let's tour this room and see what it is. I got two rooms to show you. One here and one at Flamingo Bay. Okay, here we go. Coming room, door, connecting room, closet. Bathroom. Last time I was here, I had a jacuzzi. Got a shower this time, and does have the regular shower and rainforest.
Unless you find something else that you like. Well, yeah.
Full length mirrors,
I might give you a
which is a plus.
My birthday is 60 days.
And this is the room.
April 28th.
Oh, okay. My daughter's birthday April 20th.
So she's Aries, like my baby.
And that's outside.
18 days. March 24th, and Dominique is March 21st.
That concludes this portion. We got another room to go check into, and we'll do a tour over there as well.
Ain't that what the boss said?
No, I asked her what did she want. She said she wanted to put her stuff down.
Okay. Actually, you gotta keep it.
I mean, we are all the way. I guess we at the back of the bus. Way back of the bus.
I got to see the one I paid. They gave me 4, but my friends took my bills. I like 1.5 and 1.5.
So are you at the Westgate Flamingo Bay, or are you at the Tropicana?
She says, Flamingo. She says Westgate Flamingo.
But you just called her, that's what they said.
And she said,
That's what I thought you told me.
it's right across from MGM Station.
MG Grand, what Usher at.
Oh, that's what she is.
First time you know how pretty. So I spent it all
She
in.
said we take the monorail to MGM. We just walk across.
I was gonna pay it off today, but I was like,
You want to keep it operating. Yeah, you want to keep at least $2.
My daughter here, she my daughter, but she my mom.
No, I'm saying,
That makes sense.
you know, instead of paying
She gonna be bossing me all weekend.
keep at least $2. Yeah, keep a little small balance. And then you can pay it off.
I probably keep it $200 bills since the rent is so high.
Yeah.
And I ain't even eat because I ain't much.
Y'all like the hotel so far?
I love it. Well, mine look as good as this.
Whatever they got, they clean with it, whatever.
See?
I guess. Smell like gentle fluidity.
29 floors.
What floor was we on last time, Paul? About 12 or? We were up.
Somewhere like that.
What floor was this? This
Okay, now,
second.
this where we go? Make a right.
They got Ticketmaster in here. The tickets for tomorrow, they high. Go see. Tomorrow they'll go down. The ones today they like $240 for 4 tickets. Ooh, I like this one too. Cover up too. Yeah. Socks or no borrow socks. They got the Cheetos. Oh, what is that, Ashley? A wet who?
It's where you're
Yeah.
switching your weight at different times.
We watched somebody get married last time. I'm gonna go down on the strip and go live.
You want to go over there?
I'm gonna drink. Strawberry. Yeah, Santa's nightcap sound good.
Think of Miami Vice with it? Want to do like Malibu with it or just by itself?
Electric lemonade. Call me a cab. Last time I had to call me a cab, they had to call. I want the Dole Whip.
Strawberry. Oh, okay. You got to go look.
No.
It's a souvenir. Oh. But can these come outside of the hotel?
Yep. Souvenir glass.
Okay. Just want to make sure. I think I want raspberry, okay, pineapple, strawberry. That's why I was looking at this. I ain't do none of this.
There we go.
What you get us in?
Got 'em.
Can I make you one?
This and
1951.
I didn't find it.
What's that?
Oh, it's fell off. Did you?
Yeah, she was like, this.
I thought you already signed it.
Yeah.
It's John thick. Mine thick. What you get?
Santa's night food.
Nightcap.
Yeah.
This one can't suck the straw on it. When I suck it through the straw, I ain't get nothing but apple. I ain't know it was ice cream. More like a sorbet. We about to get our first 24-hour monorail pass. I guess they still do it in 24 hours.
High candy? So right now, the blue raspberry doesn't work. So I can just do with the other ones except that one.
She got what's called the Santa nightcap. If you eat that chocolate, we're gonna run your stomach off. She's still pouring. You got a shot.
There we go.
Tell me how you get a Navy Federal. How you get Navy Federal?
We got 1951 for that one.
What I want is USAA. I got PNP and Navy Federal, but I want USAA. So they say they insurance and stuff is long. When he leaving, I thought that's why Liam went, because they would get ready to deploy him. I know you never know the exact date. So we just bought a Monorail pass ticket. 2 days, $23.75 for a 2-day pass. And we scanned this QR code. By scanning that QR code, it would have cost us $26 if we went to the agent. But instead we paid $23 for a 24-hour pass. It's $13.45. So we will use it. We're not on the strip. We're slightly off the strip. So we can travel unlimited. Go wherever we want to go for the next 2 days and not have to worry about it. And it's gonna go to her dad. Yeah, he gonna 18.
Where she's out in second.
We on the
Matter of
Monorail.
fact, I'm gonna put some in place where she can't get it until she turn 18.
Trust
Get a
fund.
9, baby. Or these dollar machines.
We're at the
You know, these penny and nickel machines.
Tropicana.
I'm not getting on the crap table with the leg.
Hot tub. Hey,